Good morning, students. Now we continue the features of taxation. Compulsory payment. The tax or monetary the payment imposed by the government agent, individual, business or properties with their consist. Non-compliance can lead to potential to legal consequence. Financial burden. Tax impose the financial burden of taxpayers, reducing the disposable income or profits. Next one is revenue generation. The primary purpose of taxation is to generate revenue for the government to finance public goods and services such as infrastructure, education, healthcare, and defense. Next one is redistribution of income and wealth. Taxations can be used as tools for redistributing wealth and imposing their higher taxes on the wealthy and providing benefits or services to the less affiliates through the social welfare programs. Next topics, regulations and control. Tax can be influenced behavior and market activity by discovering the certain activities such as example for taxing harmful products like alcohol or encouraging the others. Example, tax incentives and investments, renewable emergency. Next one is various income sources. The total income includes various types of income such as salaries, wages, business profits, interest, dividends, rental income, capital gains, and other incomes or profit realized during the tax year. This comprehensive approach ensures that all sources of income are subject to taxation. What are the directions or in the tax means? While the total income encompass all sources of income tax, law often allow for certain exclusions, deductions and exemptions to arrive at the taxable income. These deductions could include expenses incurred in earning income, contribution to the retirement account, charitable donation, and other allowable deductions specified by the tax laws. Income, how to calculate the income tax? The taxable income to derived from the total income by subtracting allowable deductions, exemption and executions. This resulting taxable income serves the basic of determining the taxpayer or tax liability. Tax rates are then applied to the taxable income to calculate the amount of tax allowed. Compulsory payment on the fundamentals characteristics of taxation, the reference of the obligations imposed by the government on individual, business or other essentials for pay the tax without their consequence. Then clauses looks at the compulsory payment in the concept of taxation. First one is government imposition, legal obligation. Third one is discretionary nature. First, government or imposition. Tax involves the government authority to levy tax on its citizens or residents. Through the frameworks, governments establish tax laws that mandate individuals are entitled to contribute the promotions of their income, profit, transactions of property value of assets. Next one is legal obligations. Legal obligations means the tax law outline the types of tax rates, taxable entitles, tax calculation methods, filing procedure, and encouragement of taxpayers legally obligated to comply with these laws and fulfill their obligations. Next one is unlike voluntary contributions or donations, tax or non-destructory payments, taxpayers do not have the options to whether or not to pay tax. Failure to comply the result of potential legal consequence. These sorts of points are included in the features of taxation. Shall we explain in next session in next topic? Thank you, everyone.